Does Best Packaging do installation and training only on the equipment they sell? No. Here at Best Packaging, we will install and train customers on virtually any type of packaging equipment or conveyors, whether it's been purchased from us or not. Does Best Packaging handle all aspects of equipment installation? Yes. At Best Packaging, we're happy to manage as much or as little of the installation as the customer requires. For example, we have contracted and managed electrical service installation for our equipment. We've also contracted and managed building modifications. This includes things like concrete cutting and pouring for pits to install equipment. Will Best Packaging perform equipment installations during off hours or during holidays? Yes. Best Packaging will be happy to provide installation and training services at any time, including weekends or holidays. Best Packaging is committed to meeting customer needs, installation timeframes.